This is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I will show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the calendar app, then select the date you would like to set your event on. Onwards, tap at this plus icon, and, well, edit all the event details, such as its title, location, time frames. You can also set up its repetitiveness, make this event recurring. You can configure and customize the reminding or notifying preferences, set up the alarm even for this event, then write a brief description if needed, and finally save the document by tapping at this check icon at the top right corner of your display, and here you have it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.